we're now at 2,500, which is roughly 1,500 AGL. So that's where we want to finish our maneuver. So let's just get up a little bit higher. There doesn't look like any clouds in the way. Okay, and let's remember, if we happen to put ourselves into a spin, we are going to power idle, yoke neutral, heavy feel in the feet. All right, so let's get ourselves, we're going to do a power off stall. Let's get ourselves into a landing configuration. So, bringing back power, carb heat, bringing the flaps, and we're trying to maintain our altitude right now. If we need to, more power, more flaps, and 40 degrees of flaps. Okay, we're actually going a little bit slow, so we're going to give it some power. Start. Give it nose down. Okay, that's about as if we were coming in for a landing. Okay, about 65 miles per hour. That makes some sense. Okay, and what if, for whatever reason, we decide to just start pulling back this yoke way too hard? Keep our eyes on the ball. Oh, there's the warning horn. Okay, we can nose forward. Go, trying to keep altitude. All right, so now let's do a full stall. There it is. It buffeted. Okay, all in. Let's not lose altitude. Okay, let's at least maintain altitude, okay? And start working those flaps, just little by little. Okay, let's get those flaps out. Now we're at 20 degrees. Need to start climbing. Get more flaps out. Looking for traffic. And more flaps out. Okay.